much does it cost to install solar panels, which can save electricity household bills? Let me to introduce our product to you. This is our solar panel, which is very cheap and it used to absorb solar energy. This is our solar energy storage battery. The electricity generated by the solar panel can be stored here for a long time. The electricity at home comes from it. This is our inverter, which is used to convert direct current into alternating current for home use. This is our brackets for installation. This is a very new material developed by us, very light in weight and very easy to install. We can DIY install it ourselves. These components make up our solar system. We can save a lot of electricity expense every day, and the service life is as long as more than 20 years. If you buy a solar system, choose us.